Have you ever stopped to consider what's really in the everyday products you use around your home? It's an alarming fact that many of the items we use daily, from the soap in our bathrooms to the detergent in our laundry rooms, are riddled with toxic chemicals. We're talking about substances like phthalates, known for disrupting hormones, parabens, linked to skin irritation and allergies, and formaldehyde, a potent respiratory irritant and suspected carcinogen. These chemicals are more common than you'd think. In fact, a shocking 70% of common household items contain one or more of these harmful substances. From your favorite scented candle to the kitchen cleaner you swear by, these toxic ingredients are hiding in plain sight, silently impacting our health. It's a startling reality that many of us are unaware of, and it's time we shed light on it. The effects of these toxins are far-reaching and more serious than you might think. Everyday household products, which we often consider harmless, are loaded with chemicals that can lead to a multitude of health issues. Many of these toxins are known allergens, triggering reactions ranging from mild skin irritations to severe respiratory complications. The danger doesn't stop at allergies. Research suggests that certain chemicals found in everyday products can disrupt our hormone balance. This means they could potentially interfere with our body's natural functions, leading to a wide array of health complications. But perhaps most concerning is the potential link between these chemicals and life-threatening illnesses, such as cancer. While research is ongoing, the sheer possibility should make us rethink our choices. Beyond our personal health, these toxins have a profound impact on our environment. They contribute to pollution, seeping into our waterways and soil, causing harm to wildlife and the broader ecosystem. The cost of our convenience is high, impacting not just our personal health, but the health of our planet. But there's good news. Safer, non-toxic alternatives are available and more accessible than ever. For instance, there's a wide selection of non-toxic cleaning supplies, free from harsh chemicals, yet equally effective. They're kinder to your skin, respiratory system, and overall well-being. Then there are personal care items. Imagine using shampoos, soaps, and even toothpaste that are free from harmful substances, yet leave you feeling fresh and clean. They're gentle on your body, allowing you to maintain your beauty regimen guilt-free. And let's not forget about home goods. From furniture to cookware, non-toxic options are increasingly becoming the norm. These products not only give you peace of mind, but also contribute to a healthier home environment. The benefits are immense: improved health, less environmental impact, and surprisingly, cost savings over time, as these products tend to be more durable and effective. By making the switch to non-toxic products, you're not just making a change for your home, but for your health and the health of our planet. In conclusion, the everyday products we use can have a significant impact on our health and the environment. We've touched on the hazards of toxic products and the advantages of safer alternatives. It's crucial to do your research and make informed decisions. Remember, the choice is in your hands. Choose wisely for a healthier home and a healthier world.